Hey guys, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to follow up on one of the coal stocks that I talked about on Tuesday, and that is Arch Resources, ticker ARCH. So, as you may have seen, we had a nice bounce in the SPY today, but we also saw some pretty interesting strength in coal stocks, and Arch Resources is one of them. So on Tuesday, I said, what I'm looking for is a move through and a close above at 175.80 level, coming on higher than average volume. What do we get today? We got a nice move through that level, higher than average volume. And this wasn't the only coal stock that was catching a bid today. We also had CEIX moving nicely on higher than average volume, AMR popping out here on higher than average volume. And so this, in my opinion, is still a sector that you should be paying attention to. At this point, I'd probably look for a pullback buy to the moving averages because this has clear support right around that 50-day moving average. So if you're lucky and it does come back, watch for the buyers to kind of step in close to the moving averages here. So just wanted to follow up and show you some of the things we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com. Hopefully, we'll see you there.